Good morning, good evening, viewers. This is Eliab once again, and I would like to talk about TBC, Coringos. So I encourage everyone to join TBC industry or cryptocurrency industry. Join our Coringo Society, which has a private medium of exchange called TBC. TBC is a private cryptocurrency, not public. So for those people maybe who want to go to CoinMarketCap and look for TBC, it's not there and it can't be there. Reason being, this is a private one. Okay, so I encourage everyone to join a private Coringo Society, which has its own medium of exchange called TBC or the plain coin.